The Rambo Rooster features the signature ruggedized design and a set of durable components made for city roads and off-road paths. This city bike sports a powerful 750-watt Bafang motor that delivers a top speed of 20 miles per hour. The Rooster comes with double-walled rims without holes and Kenda 20-inch fat tires for excellent off-road capabilities. It comes with an ultra-high-capacity lithium battery pack that gives it an incredible range of 35 miles, so it is a perfect bike that will not lose charge halfway in your commute or adventure. It features the classic step-through frame that makes it easy to ride on routes with plenty of stops. The max capacity of the bike is 300 pounds, and there is an integrated rear rack that you can use to carry large bags and stuff, so you know it is a solid ride and can be used to carry heavy equipment. With free shipping, lowest prices guaranteed, fast delivery and no sales tax, it's easy to see why Electric Bike Paradise is the leading electric bike retailer online. So shop our selection of e-bikes now at electricbikeparadise.com or reach us at 800-590-2738 and talk to our sales specialist available from Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.